Welcome. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently and begin by taking a long, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your body to start releasing tension with each breath. Breathe in calm and breathe out any stress.
Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation starting here, slowly moving down your body. As this wave of relaxation moves down, let go of any tightness or tension in each part of your body. Feel your forehead soften, your eyes gently resting, your jaw unclenching. Allow your neck and shoulders to relax completely. Feel the relaxation flow down your arms, releasing any tension in your hands and fingers. With each breath, the wave of calm moves down your chest, softening your heart and your breathing. Your stomach relaxes, and the muscles in your back let go, releasing any tightness. Feel the wave of relaxation continue down your legs, to your knees, your calves, all the way down to your feet and toes. Let yourself become fully immersed in this calm, peaceful state. With each breath, you become more relaxed, more at ease. Any remaining tension or stress is gently melting away. As you sink deeper into this feeling, know that you are safe, supported, and at peace in this moment. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Without changing it, simply observe the natural rhythm. Notice how your breath flows in and out. As you inhale, feel the nourishing energy filling your lungs, your body. As you exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. In and out, with ease, with peace. Stay with your breath for a few more moments. Enjoy this deep sense of relaxation and calm. If any thoughts arise, simply let them pass like clouds in the sky, returning your focus to your breath. When you're ready, gently start to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly roll your shoulders. Take one last deep, nourishing breath, and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day.